Hello there. So I'm back. This is part number 2. So yesterday I did part number 1. We exfoliated yesterday for skin cycling. So tonight we're going to do skin cycling night number 2. So in the morning, your skincare routine stays the exact same. If you decide to start skin cycling and you decide to join me on the skin cycling cycle, then your morning skincare will not change. You'll wash your face. Excuse me, I have the hiccups all of a sudden. You'll wash your face. If you use a serum, you can use a serum. If you use an eye cream, you can use an eye cream, and make sure you hydrate as well. I just took off my makeup, so my eyes are a little sensitive because I also have my ring light on right now. But anyway, I just took off my makeup and I just washed my face. So I washed my face in the bathroom. I used my 4-in-1 cleanser. So whatever your cleanser of choice is, I use the combination oily one because I do have oily to combination skin. So if you have normal to dry skin, you could use that one as well. But anyway, I wanted to wash my face a few minutes before I came in here because it's important when you use retinol. So tonight is the retinol night. And it's important when you use retinol that you wash your face and give your face some time to dry and be, nothing on there. And then we apply the retinol. So before you apply retinol as well, anytime you're using pure retinol. So this is the clinical solution set. You can see I have just a little bit left of my facial milk. So I do personally go through my facial milk much quicker than I go through my pure retinol. So we're going to get to this in just a second. But anytime that you're using retinol, it's really important that you follow a few very important steps, and that is wash your face before you're going to put on your retinol. Give your face about 10 minutes in between washing it and then putting on your retinol, maybe 5 to 10 minutes even. In the beginning, it's important. If you've never used retinol before, give it a little bit longer. And then as you kind of start to use it, you're going to know how your skin operates and how it works with it. And then you might not have to wait as long. You want to apply any eye creams before you apply the retinol. So I'm going to apply my eye cream first. This is the Timewise Repair Eye Cream. I love this stuff. So you squeeze a little bit out. And then you just apply it right underneath your eye. And then you can use this applicator to actually rub it in. So the applicator is metal. So it's going to help to depuff your eyes. It's going to help with wrinkles. It's going to help just with circulation. But the cooling is, I love how it has that little bit of a cooling feel and how it does kind of depuff your eyes. It's incredible. So anyway, you can apply it with this. Just little circles, kind of moving it around. Take the extra that you have left over and put it up above your eye. Or you can add a little bit up there too. Okay. All right. Got my eye cream on. So now, after my eye cream's all done, now what you would do next is, well, I'm going to here in just a second. I am going to give that eye cream just a minute to dry. And then I'm going to apply my retinol. So the retinol is an incredible product that I wish that I would have used a long time ago. I didn't know about it. And then when I did find out about it, honestly, it kind of terrified me because there was all these processes to get started and to retinolize your skin and all that stuff. Now with skin cycling, you do not have to retinolize. So that made it so much more attainable for me and I felt like I could continue it a little bit easier. So if you're one of those people too, then maybe this is something that you're really excited about as well. A way to work retinol into your routine without having to retinolize and commit to the 8 weeks of retinolization. So the reason that you can do it is because you're doing it in this process that dermatologists have come up with that allows your skin to heal, and it allows your skin to then absorb these retinoids, and then it allows it to heal and exfoliate and do all the things. So anyway, this is a really awesome routine to be able to work in retinol without having to do any kind of retinolization for your skin. Now, there still are things that you want to do if you do work pure retinol in for the first time. Absolutely, you have to use the facial milk. You absolutely have to use the facial milk. So if you buy this from me, I will make you, well, I can't make you, I guess, but I will highly, highly, highly suggest that you get the set with the pure retinol and the facial milk together. Now, I do have some customers that decide, I don't need the facial milk after a while, after my face is nice and retinolized and like I don't feel like my skin's dry anymore. And if that's you, totally fine. Now, I can tell you, I've been using this stuff for a while now, and the facial milk is actually my favorite part. I use it if my skin feels inflamed, if I get burnt, even if I have like a little bit of windburn or anything like that. What this facial milk is it is jam-packed full of vitamins and full of oils and full of just incredible healing products. So it's meant to combat retinol when it is like a little bit too harsh on your skin. So it combats everything. It is such an awesome, I love how soothing it is and how it is like a botanical in a jar, kind of. Like, I wish I could describe it better, but it's botanicals in this bottle and it's incredible. It soothes your face. It heals everything. If you have kids, you can put it on any of their spots too, because it is so sensitive. Like, it's so nice and just organic, and it's good. It's good stuff. I can't tell you any more about it because I'm just gonna keep rambling, but it's really good stuff, I promise. So anyway, you can tell because there's not much left, and I've got like a whole one of these left, so I clearly use this one a lot. Okay, let's put it on, the retinol. Okay, so the retinol, if it comes out yellow, that is okay. That's fine. Nothing's wrong with it. It might also be like a little bit more white. That's, again, it's fine. It's just if it's been if it's been exposed to the oxygen. Let me just change it around there. So anyway, I have 1 squirt of the clinical solutions. I do not care how big your face is. You only need 1 squirt of the clinical solutions pure retinol. Next, I'm gonna add in the facial milk here. So I'm gonna add a couple squirts of this. Gotta make sure it's nice and level. I'm gonna have to open a new one here soon, which is okay. It's a great product. So you can see here, I'm mixing in the retinol and the facial milk. Combine them in your fingers, and then go ahead and you can apply them all over your skin. So the main reason I love this retinol is it is what retinol is. Let me start with that. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. So it's going to anti-age, it's going to reduce wrinkles, it's going to reduce scarring, it's going to reduce sunspots, it's going to reduce any kind of spots that you have on your face, any craters that you have on your skin, like I said, wrinkles, premature wrinkles, fine lines, all of that stuff. So as we get older, our cell turnover starts to decrease. So as our cell turnover decreases, we look older and our skin ages quicker because it's not the new skin that's coming up on top. So when that happens, and that starts happening around the age of 21. So when that happens, it's important that we start to put other things in, and it doesn't matter. I don't care if you're even 80 years old right now and you're watching this and you're like, oh my gosh, that happened so long ago. That's okay, because your skin is still turning over all the time. And the more that you can increase your cell turnover, the younger your skin is going to look. So retinol, what pure retinol does is it turns over your skin quicker. So it will help you look younger quicker. This is the #1 product that is recommended by dermatologists. So if you go to a dermatologist and you talk to them about aging and you're really concerned about wrinkles, fine lines, aging, all that stuff, they're going to put you on retinol, and they're going to put you on a pure retinol, which is exactly what this is. This is a pure retinol, 100% pure retinol. So it's going to increase your cell turnover. So what I have loved the most about it is my biggest concern was not anti-aging and wrinkles. Now, I have seen some incredible results after a few weeks of using this with the fine lines and the wrinkles. Absolutely incredible. And that's what it's meant for. So that is the main thing it's going to be targeting. However, it also works great, like I said, for sunspots, aging spots, scarring, all that stuff. So I have, and I always have, had really bad scarring, and it has almost reduced it all down. You can't really see too much discoloration right now. In person, you can see I have a little bit of like divots there, but if you've watched my videos for a long time, you know my skin is 1,000 times better right now than it has been previously, and a big contributor to that is this pure retinol. It launched, I want to say maybe 2 years ago. I tried it out then. I kind of dabbled in it then. I started using it more regularly over the last year, and it has made a huge difference in this skin cycling. I can't even begin to tell you how impressed I am by it, because it's not too harsh on my skin. That was my biggest concern when I heard exfoliate, retinol, hydrate. But those 2 hydrate days, they get your skin right back at it, and I can't wait to exfoliate my face the next day. So I have been loving the skin cycling. Absolutely loving it. I hope you try it out, because even if you try it and you hate it, Mary Kay has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you buy all this stuff and you get, your exfoliate and you get your retinol, and you're already cleansing your face every day and every night and stuff like that, and you decide, oh my gosh, Maddie, this was terrible. I hate it. I can't use it. The products don't work for me. Mary Kay has a 100% satisfaction guarantee, which is another reason why I love these products so much, is you don't have that like scary, oh my gosh, what if it doesn't work? That's okay. Mary Kay will take it back. It's fabulous. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is, it's important that after you get done with your retinol, you have to moisturize. So that's the only thing you're going to do after you get done with your retinol, is you're going to add in some moisture. So we're going to use the purple gel. We talked about this last time, that if you have dry skin, you can use the pink one, the intense moisturizing gel. This one is the oil-free hydrating gel. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put this all over. So another thing, why I said that it helps with scarring so much, is that retinol, it actually helps to resurface. So it's going to help to, the scalp, oh my goodness, the cell turnover is going to resurface your skin to give you more of that flat and glass skin appearance. So hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully now you know a little bit more about retinol. And if you have any more questions about skincare or retinol in general, reach out to me, let me know. But if you're looking for some sort of skincare routine for yourself and you want me to help you break it down, let me know. I'm happy to help you. You can also download, this is so cool. If you have Apple or Android, you can download in your app store. It's called Skin Analyzer app. So download that. You can sign me up as your consultant, Maddie Wade. Find me on there. And then you can scan your face. It'll tell you exactly where your problem areas are. Do it without makeup on so it can really see your skin. It'll show you where you have the most wrinkles, where you have the most sun damage, where you have the most aging, and what products it would recommend for you. So if you want my recommendation, let me know. If you want to check out the Skin Analyzer app, check that out. If you want to do both and compare and make sure that I know what the heck I'm talking about, go ahead, you can do that too. I love the Skin Analyzer app so much though. So if you do it, take a screenshot of your results and send them over to me if you want. So anyway, that's it. Like I said before, if you want to shop any of these items that I covered tonight, they are all at that website that is right down below. You can shop right down there, and make sure you tune back in with me because I will be back here for 2 more. So if you missed day 1, go back and catch it. This is day number 2, so is the retinol. And then the next 2 days will be hydrating days. So it's really cool what you can do on the hydrating days. You don't have to now do no masks or anything like that. So we'll get into that tomorrow. But thank you so much for joining me for Skin Cycling, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.